Chapter 11. Deficiency Diseases. We will learn deficiency diseases, minerals, digestion. Nutrients play a very important role in growth and development of human body. But sometimes their excess or deficient intake results in various disorders or diseases. To avoid these diseases, we need to take a balanced diet. Deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases are those diseases that are a result of having inadequate amount of nutrients in diet. Let us study about some common deficiency diseases caused by some vitamins and minerals. Vitamins. Vitamin A helps in the growth of bones, teeth, and skin reproduction, cell division, immunity, repair of body tissues, and for hair growth. Night blindness, complete blindness, abnormal bone growth, defective teeth and gums, loss of hair, skin diseases, decreased resistance to infections are the deficiency diseases. Its symptoms are inability to view in dim light or night, dry skin and hair, fall of teeth and swelling in gums, and reduced growth of bones. These diseases are cured by taking vitamin A-rich sources like eggs, green vegetables, yellow fruits, dairy products, etc. Vitamin B helps maintain the normal blood levels, promotes blood formation, regulates cell growth and affect energy level. B vitamins in leafy green vegetables help your body make protein and energy. Beriberi, fissures at the corner of mouth, problem in pregnancy, etc. are its deficiency diseases. Its symptoms are feeling fatigue, depression, decrease in short-term memory, heart enlargement, scaly skin, and diarrhea. These diseases are cured by taking vitamin B-rich sources like dairy products, green leafy vegetables, peanuts, etc. Vitamin C helps in synthesis of tissues, acts as antioxidant, helps in wound healing and fights infections. Scurvy is its deficiency disease. Its symptoms are feeling fatigue, loss of teeth, bleeding gums, depression, swollen and painful joints, noise bleeding, and paleness. This is cured by taking vitamin C-rich sources like citrus fruits, tomatoes, melons, berries, broccoli, etc. Vitamin D is required for bones and teeth formation, absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Rickets and osteomalacia are its deficiency diseases. Its symptoms are pain in bones, muscle weakness, soft and curved bones. This is cured by taking vitamin D-rich sources like egg yolk, fish, milk, and exposure of skin to sunlight. Vitamin E prevents and dissolves blood clots, give nourishment to cells, and supply oxygen. Hemolytic anemia is its deficiency disease. Knowledge window. Osteomalacia disease is softening of the bones due to the lack of vitamin D. Its symptoms are feeling tired, loss of balance, weakness, and paleness. This is cured by taking vitamin E-rich sources like vegetable oil, wheat, nuts, whole grains, green leafy vegetables, etc. Vitamin K is necessary for the growth of bones and blood coagulation. Delayed clotting is its deficiency disease. Symptoms are easy bleeding and prolonged clotting time. This is cured by taking vitamin K-rich sources like green leafy vegetables, beef, liver, cheese, coffee, green tea, etc. Minerals. Calcium helps in building strong bones and healthy teeth. It also helps in muscles contraction and blood clotting. Osteoporosis is its deficiency disease. Its symptoms are bow legs, pigeon chest, knock knees, cramps, pains in legs, weakness in bones, and poor sleep. This is cured by taking calcium-rich sources like milk, cheese, yogurt, green leafy vegetables, cereals, etc. Iron is necessary for the production of hemoglobin, red blood cells, oxygenation, brain development, and body temperature. Anemia is its deficiency. Its symptoms are pale skin, poor stamina, nervousness, weakness or tiredness, and laziness. This is cured by taking iron-rich sources like meat, fish, beans, spinach, molasses, kelp, etc. Iodine keeps thyroid gland healthy and produces thyroxine. Goiter is its deficiency disease. Its symptoms are enlargement in thyroid gland, hair loss, and fatigue. Knowledge window. Iodine is also an effective antiseptic. In addition to this, it helps clean and heal wounds. Our body needs large amount of microminerals, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur. This is cured by taking iodized salt, eggs, meat, sea fish, kelp, seaweed, asparagus, etc. Proteins. Deficiency of dietary proteins, carbohydrates, and fats result in protein energy malnutrition, PEM. PEM occurs more frequently among infant and young children between 1 to 5 years of age. PEM manifests in two forms: A. Kwashiorkor, B. marasmus. Kwashiorkor occurs when there is not enough proteins in the diet. The clinical signs of kwashiorkor are stunt growth, protrusion of belly, oedema or swelling of legs and face, sparse, dry and discolored hair, a flaky appearance of skin, and diarrhea. Getting more calories and proteins will correct kwashiorkor if treatment is started early enough. Children who have had this condition will never reach their full potential for height and growth. Marasmus is the condition primarily caused by a deficiency in calories and energy. The clinical signs of marasmus include dry skin, loose skin folds hanging over the buttocks and armpit, low fat, etc. To prevent marasmus, the diet should contain adequate calories, high proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins, etc. Digestion. The process that breaks down the food into a simpler form to obtain glucose is called digestion. The system related to digestion is called digestive system. Human digestive system consists of several organs. All these organs are connected with each other. They break down the food that we eat in order to digest it. The digested food is absorbed by our body organs that provide us energy to work, which help us grow and live. Digestive system consists of the following organs. Knowledge window. A human has more bacteria in the mouth than a dog. Tongue. The digestion of food is started in mouth. The food we eat first mixes with saliva with the help of tongue. It is a primary organ of taste. It has different taste buds which tell us about the taste. Esophagus. It is a tube-like organ from throat to the stomach. The food that we swallow reaches to stomach passing through esophagus. Stomach. The food from esophagus passes to a muscular bag-like organ. This organ is stomach. The stomach produces gastric acid that helps in the digestion of food. This acid helps in breaking down the food molecules. The food is digested into the glucose and many other substances. Intestines. Large intestine is about 5 feet long. At the end, it is joined to the small intestine. It absorbs the digested food, which provides us energy to do work. When we swallow the bread, we feel that the bread tastes sweeter. This is because our saliva breaks down the soluble starch present in the bread into soluble sugar or glucose. Saliva helps us to swallow the food. Sugar is a source of energy to the body. It provides instant energy to work and play. It is the reason that glucose is given to an ill person who is weak. Glucose is a form of sugar which is easily changed into energy by the human body. Quick review. Nutrients play a very important role in growth and development of human body. People who do not get the right amount of all nutrients from their food suffer from deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases are those diseases that are a result of having inadequate amount of nutrients in diet. PEM occurs more frequently among infants and young children between 1 to 5 years of age. The process that breaks down the food into a simpler form to obtain glucose is called digestion. The digested food is absorbed by our body organs that provides us energy to work. Glucose is a form of sugar which is easily changed into energy by the human body.